Welcome to part 2 of the lace square motif tutorial. In part 1 we saw how to crochet a lace square motif. If you haven't watched the video, please check the description box below. I have provided the link. We have already worked the first square and only in the first square we finish all the rounds completely. In rest of the squares, the last round is worked only when you are joining the squares together. This is my second square and I am working the last round. I'll just work the first side of the last round. So you start with 3 chains followed by 4 double crochets in the chain 5 corner space, and then you will make chain 5 and single crochet in the next chain 5 space, again chain 5, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, and once more chain 5, and you will work 5 double crochets in the next corner space. So here I finished one side of the last round in square number 2. Now instead of chain 5, I am going to make chain 2 and make the first joint. So I'll make the first joint in the corner chain 5 space of the first square. Work a single crochet. After chain 2, work a single crochet in the corner space followed by chain 2, and you're going to finish the next set of 5 double crochets in the corner space of the second square. So the first joint is made and now we are going to make the second joint. So in the first chain 5 space of the 2 squares you will make the next joint. Chain 2 and work a single crochet in the chain 5 space of the first square. Chain 2 and single crochet in the chain 5 space of the second square. So next you will make the third joint between the next chain 2 spaces of both the squares. Chain 2, single crochet in the next chain 5 space of the first square, chain 2, single crochet in the chain 5 space, next chain 5 space of the second square. Again chain 2. Now you will make a single crochet in the next chain 5 space. Now chain 2 and you will work 5 double crochets in the corner space of the second square. Next you will make the final joint. Chain 2 and single crochet in the corner space of the first square, chain 2, and you will work the next set of 5 double crochets in the corner space. Then complete the rest of the round as usual. That is chain 5, single crochet, next chain 5 space, chain 5, single crochet, next chain 5 space, chain 5, 5 double crochet, chain 5 and 5 double crochet in the last space, repeated around. In the third square, I've completed the first side of the last round as we did in the second square, and now I'm going to join it to the two squares. So first work two chains and then work a single crochet between the two squares at the joint, and now make 2 chains and complete the second set of 5 double crochets in the corner space of the third square. Continue the rest of the joining as you did previously. Now I am joining the fourth square. Start from a corner space and continue joining as you did before. After joining the two sides, you will finish the rest of the round as you normally would. Here I have joined 9 motifs together. To make a doily, you can join as many as you want. I will also now show you a simple border after you join all these squares together. Start at a corner, join yarn, in the corner chain 5 space, chain 3, 4 double crochets in the same space, now chain 5, single crochet in next chain 5 space, chain 3, slip stitch in the single crochet, forming a picot. Chain 5, single crochet, next chain 5 space, followed by a picot, chain 5, single crochet in next chain 5 space and a picot, again chain 5, single crochet in the corner space of the first square, followed by a picot, chain 5, single crochet in the corner space of the next square, followed by a picot, chain 5, single crochet next chain 5 space, followed by a picot, repeat the instruction across until you reach the next corner. In the corner chain 5 space, you will make 5 double crochets, chain 5 and 5 double crochets. That's it, your border is done. Repeat it on the rest of the sides. After finishing, don't forget to block it, because this is one of the pieces that do benefit from blocking, and you will definitely see the difference. So this is after blocking. I hope you liked the tutorial. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.